Hey guys. Welcome back to another tutorial. Today's tutorial is gonna be how to take off from the gate in RFS. First, turn off the HUD. Now go to Ground Systems and click on Ground Power Unit. Then go back to Aircraft Systems and click on the battery. After the battery turns green, click on the APU. Go to Lights and turn on Cabin and Cockpit Lights. Go back to Ground Systems and go to Load. Click on Pack Store, Cargo Door and Fuel Truck. When it's ready, drag your finger to the plus for more and drag it to the minus for less. After you're done, click on Pack Store, Cargo Door and Fuel Truck so that they will go. Now click on the Catering Door. Do the same thing of dragging your finger. Now go to Ground Systems and click on ACU. You can also go to Ground Checklist and do an exterior inspection. After you're done, click on Exit. Now go to Lights and Aircraft Systems and turn on Beacon Lights and Logo Lights. Set the cabin and cockpit lights both to D1. Go to Ground Systems and click Pushback. You can control the direction with the rudder. Also, if you want to see where you're going, click on the Earth beside the pause button. Now go to Engines and start Engine 2 first. Then after Engine 2 reaches Power 20, click Engine 1. After they both reach Power 20, turn off APU and Systems. Now turn on ICE, seat belts, and no smoking. Turn on Taxi and NAV lights and set cabin lights to D2. You can pause the video if you want to look at what I'm saying. I know it's fast lol. Check the map to see where you're going. Before taxiing, release parking brake and set throttle to 20%. I'm gonna be crossing the runway here, but you can directly go to it if that's what the map says. Also, my plane isn't going fast, the video is at 2x speed lol. Now set flaps to 1, and turn on landing lights and strobe lights. Set cockpit lights to D2, and cabin lights to off. Once you reach the runway, turn so that you line up with the center line. I'm struggling here lol. Finally, line up with the center line. Click on brake parking and go to follow or gear view to check if the gear is aligned with the center line. Go to engines and aircraft systems and release brake parking. Set throttle to 25% until engine power reaches 40%. Now set throttle to 99 or 100%. Try to stay on the center line as much as possible. After the AI says rotate, gently lift your device upwards. When it says positive rate, click on the gear, it will go up. Now click AP and turn on NAV. After 10,000 feet, turn off ICE. After passing 210 kbs, set flaps to 0. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to become a pro pilot.